Watch this video and learn how to draw a cute little penguin.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie. Are you well?
Yeah.
Have you decided what you want to draw today?
Artie doesn't know. No, I don't know.
How about we draw a penguin?
Yeah, okay. Oh, yes, please. Yes, please. Oh.
Go and get your paper and your pens.
Yeah, Artie, go get.
Okay, go on then.
Okay. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah. I'm Mikey.
Mikey!
Mikey the marker, yeah.
Mikey! They're here!
Huh? Oh. Hey, little artists!
Hello, little artists!
Are you ready to start, Artie? Artie? I know you really like penguins, so this is going to be fun. Are you ready to begin? Let's start.
Betty, do you think Artie's gonna create another masterpiece?
He always does!
Let's start by drawing our penguin's little beak. Draw a V shape with little curves at the top. Now draw a curved line across the top.
I wonder what it's gonna be.
Now let's draw his left eye. Draw a large oval, but stop about 3/4 done. Very good. Now do the right eye. Again, another large oval shape. Very good. Now let's draw 2 circles inside the oval shapes. Left side first, and be sure to colour in the circle completely black. Perfect. Now let's do the right one. Little artists, if Artie's drawing too quick, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Now let's draw the left side of our penguin's head. Let's draw a large S-shaped curve. Now draw a mirror image of that curve, but on the right side. Let's draw the left wing. We'll do a sort of back to front question mark shape. Perfect. Now carry on from the end, curve all the way round towards the bottom and join together.
Mikey, this is so much fun!
I told you it'd be great.
Now Artie, try and do exactly the same on the right side, but reflected, as if it's a reflection in a mirror. He's really concentrating. Now let's draw another curved line inside the wings. Don't forget the right side. You missed a little bit. That's it.
That's pretty cool.
Yes, it is pretty neat!
Let's draw a really big curve starting from the bottom of the left wing and going all the way up to the bottom of the right wing. That's the bottom of our penguin. You want a dance break? Okay, we can stop for a little while.
Is Artie a professional dancer?
He sure has the moves.
Come on, little artists! Let's all dance!
what I said in the dressing room, darling. I mean, fantastico. Fantastico 10.
That was a great dance break, Artie.
Yeah.
Should we carry on drawing our penguin? Let's draw a big circle inside our penguin. That's going to be his tummy. You don't have to draw the circle in one go. You can do it in sections. It's much easier that way. Let's draw our penguin's feet. Start with the left one. Very good, Artie. Now do the same on the right side, but remember, reflected.
Artie's having so much fun.
Yes, he really is.
Wow, it's looking really good, Artie. But something's missing. I don't know, it just needs something. A little finishing touch. What do you think? Oh yes, some little hair sticking out of the top. Just draw 3 curved lines, different lengths, with a little circle on the end. Okay, now he looks finished. What do you think, Artie? Is he finished? Finished! Well done. He looks really good. I can't wait to see what he looks like coloured in, though.
It looks wonderful, Artie.
But it could use some color.
Finished? Excellent job, Artie. Really good colouring in work.
Yeah.
Great job.
Man, what a great day. I can't wait till tomorrow.
Tomorrow's going to be another great day.
That's right, Betty. Tomorrow will be another great day. We hope you little artists come and join us again. But for now, let's say goodbye. Bye-bye.